What can we do to massively increase our productivity while we work and also get in the best shape of our lives while working? I'll explain how in a second. But first, let's talk quickly about Sir Richard Branson. He's 70 years old and he is as fit as he was in his 20s, which helps him be incredibly productive. And it also helps him think more clearly in business, and it helps him stay positive. And the way that Branson stays in shape is he plays tennis in the morning for 1 hour and tennis in the evening for another hour. And I did a little bit of research on this, and playing tennis is about 10,000 steps per hour if it's singles. So Branson gets 20,000 steps a day playing tennis. Now, I get at least 20,000 steps in a day while working in this room. How? Well, under my desk, I have a treadmill. And what I do is I walk for most of the day while working. And I get over 20,000 steps per day in without even noticing it. And I'll show you the treadmill brand in a minute. And by the way, I'll never be sponsored by anybody for anything, as I always put my students first. But if you study for the first hour of each day, you know that you're retaining a ton of information. Then at night, if you study for 8 hours at night, for example, you won't retain as much as you did in the first hour of being awake. Now, what if there was a way where your mind was fresh all day and you felt like you just woke up in terms of your memory retention? And what if I told you that you could accomplish 10 times more every single day while getting in the best shape of your life? You can. You can by getting a treadmill or a cheap, quiet exercise bike under your desk. In fact, what I did was I got rid of my chair in my office a couple months ago because my YouTube viewers were complaining that I sounded tired. And this walking thing works, man. It works. As you're taking in more oxygen and treating your heart well, which makes sure that your mind works gooder too. Now, let me show you the product that I use, the treadmill. So let's go to Amazon. Let's go to my orders. And let's do a search on treadmill. So here's the one I use right here. Okay. So here's the price right here. It's cheaper than other ones that have bars around it. It is pricey though. And yeah, here it is here. And you can even slide it under your couch if you want to as well. Now, if you don't have a treadmill, but you go to the gym and use elliptical trainers, etc., you can buy this product here that I bought. It's called Surf Shelf Treadmill Desk. And you can put it on any device while you exercise. And here's the price, and here's the name of the product right here. So I highly recommend getting a desk that moves up and down, and invest in a walker under your desk at home, if you work at home, that is. And it's an investment that will pay off way, way more than buying any stocks, as you'll be 10 times more productive every single day. Try it. I promise you it works, and it's a great investment in you.